Now we are going to speak about the ladybird.
Description. The ladybirds are Coccinellidae insects. They are usually round and intense colors like pink, red, orange in their wings. They have always sea black legs, 2 antennas, 2 eyes, and black spots in their wings.
The ladybirds like eating aphids like fleas, there are pulgas, mites, there are ácaros, and wood locusts that there are coccinillas. These are the aphids, and because of that they are very valued because they exterminate the aphids in the vegetable organisms.
Habitat. The ladybirds live where their prey live, that is, in the vegetables of the lands and gardens. They like the hot climate, so in the winter they live underground.
The ladybirds' enemies are the mantis and the insectivorous mammals like the hedgehogs or the moles.
Reproduction. The ladybirds put many yellow eggs, and the eggs are in the leaf 1 week, and then the larvae born. In not many years, they become adult ladybirds, but without spots. In 1 or 2 years, they become adults with spots, like this.
And this is a larva. Yes. There are many species of ladybirds. Some there are red, there are yellow, and there are coleopterans like the beetles, and we have flies.